Hey guys, on today's coverage with Crowley, we're going to talk about your business insurance. Do claims affect your business insurance like they do on your personal insurance? So the quick answer is yes. Every claim that you file affects your business insurance, especially when it comes to your liability, your property, your workers' compensation, and definitely your commercial auto. Now, each one can be affected a little bit differently. When it comes to commercial auto insurance, your claims it's just like your personal insurance. If you have a claim, it's going to affect your rates. It's going to affect your eligibility when looking for new insurance. When it comes to your liability or property, this is going to affect you again based on the types of premium that you're going to be able to get moving forward. It's also going to factor in on your eligibility for certain things and to get certain coverages, especially when it comes to liability. If you have a liability lawsuit against you, or if you have any of these other things, if they're open, it's going to be very hard to get new insurance if your current insurance is expired or non-renewing you. Or if it's closed, you're going to pay probably more significant premium on those new insurance policies. Now, when it comes to workers' compensation, your claims are affected and they're calculated specifically using what's called an experience modification. Your experience modification is calculated by New York State and gets factored into your workers' comp rating. And this will carry and follow along with you each and every year. Now, you don't qualify for an experience modification on your workers' compensation policy unless you have been in business for over 2 years and you have an annual premium over $5,000. If you're lucky enough that you have a small business or you're in a less risky business and your insurance premiums on your workers' compensation are under $5,000, you will not get this experience modification. This is for everybody that is over it. And what they'll do is they'll calculate the percentage, whether a credit or a debit is going to get calculated onto your premiums. Hey guys, Mike Crowley here with the Crowley Insurance Agency. Claims are a major part when it comes to insurance rating. When it comes to your business insurance, when you shop your insurance around, one of the things that you're going to need is called loss runs. These loss runs are basically a loss history report that your current or previous insurance carriers need to supply your potential new insurance carriers to see if they're going to be able to write or quote your insurance. Insurance companies don't like to just go off the assumption that you don't have any claims or we had this one claim this one time. They want to see the full details of each claim that was had, what happened, how long it was open for, what was the claim payout, what was the total, so they can calculate to see if you're going to be the right fit for that insurance company. And they want to see what credits they can potentially give you based on your loss history. Make sure that you do your best to keep your claims down, to keep the payouts down, have as many loss control and safety guidelines in place for your employees to make sure that you stay claim free. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful. If so, click that thumbs up button below. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you again soon.